is really picking up here. You can actually hear the wind. It kind of sounds like it's roaring a little bit. It's kicking up so much snow, it's like kind of temporary whiteout conditions. And yeah, they're not plowing because it's too dangerous for even the plows. And I think it's kind of funny they have the sign there for the complex that says your assessment dollars at work. So we'll see. We'll see if it gets any better or worse. But I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. And even if the snow kind of stops, I think there's still going to be lots of wind, which is predicted 25 to 35 miles per hour, and they've already had wind gusts up as high as 60. So that's about what's going on here.